We, Southeast Europeans, all have a stake in the greatest migration challenge in the continent's recent history. This conference was the first of its kind, bringing together different stakeholders, from policymakers and politicians, through civil society and media representatives, to academics and students from the region. We have discussed in depth a myriad of issues, from security and migration after the closure of the Western Balkans route, through anti-smuggling and anti-trafficking measures, to the role of the media, civil society and hate crime. We all contributed to the active discussions and development of policy recommendations. Because we, Southeast Europeans, have a stake, we take responsibility and action. We want our voice to be heard. Join us by watching the conference video and policy recommendations.